Hello crypto investors, it's Wolf here. This is going to be quick Friday market update, okay? So I'm going to keep this very sweet and short. Okay, so in my opinion, what we're having right now is that there's the narrative of, that the new bull run comes faster than a lot of people think. I think that that's very dangerous. I think that the markets are going to, so for example, I'm going to use ETH as the main asset here. So I think that ETH is going to, trade between 1k to 2k like this the whole bear market, and the sweet spot is around 1.5k. Like my multimillionaire mentor is acquiring like ETH at like his dollar cost average at the end of the bear market is going to be like 1.5k per ETH, because I believe that ETH is going to go like 15k in the next bear run, like bull run. So that's a 10x, right? So that being said, all the altcoins that are quality will just freaking skyrocket in my opinion. So that's basically, I'm building a low cap portfolio right now, and low caps are very life changing. Like the gains can be literally like anywhere between like 20x to 1000x. But right now in the short term, you can see here, it's been exactly like I've been saying this for a long time. Okay, this whole bear market, and it's been playing exactly like this. It's very funny, you know, and the next stop here, in my opinion, is we're going to go we're going to go down here. But again, look here. I think like we are not going to go great. Like we can go for a short period of time under $1,000, but I think that we're going to stay around this range. Okay, so I'm not panic selling or anything like that. What I'm doing here is this whole bear market, I'm just dollar cost average buying. Okay, stuff I believe in. So the point of this video is really to show you that this is very important. So when buying low caps, okay, this is a very important point. So when you buy them in the bear market, they can still easily go like minus 50% and stuff like that. They can go. So that's why you want to dollar cost averaging and not just take your whole sum and just buy with that. You want the dollar cost averaging. So basically, if you, for example, have like $5,000 to invest, and you divide that by 9 months, it's going to be like $555 per month. And then you take this and then you invest it on different assets. Let's say that you split it between 5, so $100 each, and then you build a solid portfolio for the next bull, right? So if you look at here in the last bear market, if you look at Matic here, it's like this. Look at Matic. Like if you look at the long term, like bird's eye view, it looks like nothing happened here. But in the short term, it looks like this. This is insane. Look at here. 4x in just one day, literally, or 1 week. 4x in 1 week, and then in 1 week it's below the point where it started. Look at this. It's insane. So this is what's going to happen here in the bear market. It feels emotional, like it can go from 2 cents to like 1 cent, and multiple assets will do this. Like all of the assets will do this. Like look at this, it's insane. But if you zoom out here, it will look like this. Okay, in the next bull run. So right now, if you look at like here, what's happening here, it looks exactly like this. So massive, like from $1 to 30 cents, like that's over 50% down. Then again here, 3x, okay, here, and then again from $1.30 to 70 cents, and then from 70 cents to $1. So it's 2x here. So it's going to drop, and so there's like 50%. The market is so volatile. It's so volatile. Okay, but in the end, in the next bull run, this will look like this. Okay, if the asset is great. Of course, there's going to be some assets that are like Terra Luna, they will go to freaking zero. But that's another talk. This is not about that. This is about like assets. When you buy them in the bear market, it's still super volatile, super volatile, and that's what makes it very hard, in my opinion, to buy these low caps, because we are all constantly being like, everybody's going to be okay. I'm going to buy lower, right? Like you're going to buy lower, but you have to understand that in the bear markets, like we are in the bear markets right now, we are already at the bottom prices. Look at this, all of this. Look at here, from 1 cent to 4 cent Matic. that is the bottom price. Like it was at the bottom price 2019 to 2021. So anywhere between here, if you bought, you were set, right? So same thing here. It's literally the same thing here. It's just in the short term, it feels like you are losing money. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you are like, if you buy something low cap and then it goes 50% down, you're like, oh man, there's 50% down, and it feels that way. But in the short, in the like mid to longer term, in the next bull run, you're going to be like very happy. But of course, there's always risks. You have to know. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is some of the things that a lot of people are constantly waiting for lower prices. Like, understand, we are already in the bear market. Okay, of course, in the bear market still, like you can see, we are going to have this 50% down, craziness. Okay, but if the assets that you are looking into and buying go down in the bear market, that is a great thing, because then you can buy more. Because if you truly believe in that, you would ultimately want it to go super down in the bear market, no matter if you're losing money, because in the next bull run, you know that the gains will outweigh this like short-term pain. And of course, you can like there's this whole myth that you can time exactly then to buy the bottom. Like, look at here, for example, Matic. Like, throughout 2019 to 2021, you could exactly buy everything you hold back here. Like, that is a mirage. That is, you can't do that. In hindsight, it looks like it could be possible, but it is just like lottery. So you don't want to do that. You want to just think about, like, if you had this like a chart here, from here, for example, Matic 2019 to 2021 here, if you would have bought like month here one time, 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 your average price would be literally like 1 cent. But so it's and this price here is 0.009. So it doesn't really like, if you just keep dollar cost averaging in, that is truly the most advanced and best strategies. It takes patience, it takes time, but that's ultimately the best strategy. Anyway, so this was just a quick update video here, and things that I have learned. I hope that you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not in my email list, check out the first thing in the description. Join right now. There's massive things happening there. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week market updates, and peace out. Have a great weekend.